Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix GCash detected that the device has a custom ROM or unlocked bootloader problem. Okay, follow my all steps, solve your problem. Let's start the video. First open your phone setting. Now click on search bar icon. First, search build number. Now click on build number. Now click build number 4 or 5 times and set your password and enable build number. Now click on back option. Now search developer option. Now click on developer option. Scroll down. Select OEM unlocking. Now turn off OEM unlocking option. And finally turn off developer option. Now restart your device. Now go to your GCash app. I hope finally solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you.